So this is Docker's. Today is going to be on introduction to Unity. So firstly, let's start on installing the Unity. I'm just going to show you because I have it already downloaded. So this is the website you go, then unity.com, then you download the Unity Hub. After you are done downloading, then you have to open, this is the Unity Hub here. You have to open the Unity Hub. So let me close this. Okay, so you have to open the Unity Hub. This is how it will look like. It will ask you to sign in or to sign up or log in. So if you have an account, or you just have to sign up. So this is where you go sign up. So after you done that, then we are going to start our new project. So click here. Firstly, you have to, after you are done installing the Unity Hub, go to the installs under the Unity Hub. Then you search for Unity version 6, which is version 6 Unity of Unity. That's what you are going to be using. So you have to search for it. Then you have to download it. It will show you when you are downloading. So when you are done, create your Unity project. Click new project. So we are going to be working with Unity Universal 3D, which is 3 dimensions. So we are going to be working with the 3D. Then let's name our project. Let's name it intro, which is the introduction. Then you have to create projects. So after you have downloaded the Unity, it will show automatically run the Unity engine. So Unity engine is loading. You have to wait a bit. So in Unity is a game engine used in creating games, and is also one of the top engine used in creating games. And Unity scripting in Unity is used in C#. Like you can only use C# to script it. That's Unity. Is very, like, you have to know the basic language of C#. You have to know C# and before you can script anything in Unity. So now let me introduce you to the interface of Unity. So now we have the scene view. This is our scene view. Any game object added, you will see it here. Anything you are doing, you see it here. Like as you developer, you have to see it. Like, okay, this is what I'm adding, this is what I'm adding. And here in your game, it shows how it will look once you are finished developing your game. It shows how it will look in your game, like when you create the game, and then when you see the results, this actually the results, it will show the results to you. And this will just be like you are coding, and then you just have to see the results. That's end process. Then we have to move to the tools. We have different tools in Unity that helps a lot. So we have this view. It helps you to view what is around the environment. So you can view what you're doing both from the right and the left. So you can view it, and you can view it up and down. So it's very useful. And this is moving to when you create a game object. Okay, see, this is also our game object here. When you create a game object, you go up. It allows you to move the game and the game object up, and it allows you to move it forward. It allows you to move it forward. It allows you to move it in X axis. So actually this is Y, Z, and X axis. So this is, and we have rotating tools. It allows you to rotate. Okay, which position do you want? Do you want it to be upside down? Do you want it to the head to be up and something like that? So it allows you to see, to rotate what it means. And here it allows you to scale it, the size it what the your game objects, whether you want it to be large, so it allow you to resize, and this allow you to scale it. While this is the combination, this is transform tools is a combination of both resizing tools and moving tools and rotating tools. So it allow is a combination of the three tools that we talked about earlier. So let's move to the inspector. At this side you see your inspector. So what does the inspector do? Inspector allow you to see all the components present in your game object. So now you can come here, add the component to your game object, and it will be shown here. Once you click on the game object here, so you see the components, what it consists. Just like you click on the mother, then you want to see the children. Like, okay, let me say you click on a human, then you have to see the eyes, the nose, the everything. So it will be shown here. Then here we have the hierarchy. The hierarchy allow you to see the game objects present in your game, in your scene. So here I have the game the object, the main camera, then I have the lights, and I have the global volume, which is this one. So which means there are three game objects present in my scene right now, since they are default. So let's move to our project. Our project is just like Unity Unity Explorer. Yeah, so this is File Explorer. So this is where you see your assets. This shows the scene present in your project, both and the scripting. You can also create a folder. So which means this project part shows the packages available in your Unity. You can also install some extra packages. That's when you are dealing with a strong game, like when you are building a game. Yeah, so that's when you have to install some extra packages in your project, and this actually shows the scenes present, and you can add the preverb, and you can have the material. All things are shown in the project. Everything you need that has to be in your game object, in your project, are shown in this project folder. So, and this we have the playing and pausing tools. Here if I click on play, like when you have created your game, so you want to play it, you want to see how it looks like. Here we have your game view. You see it automatically go to the game view and the game scene, and see and show your game how it will look like, and it allow you to play it also. If you want to text it how it works, so it allow you to play it also. Then you can just pause it. And here we have the Y, Z, and X axis, which means you want to see the top of your project, you want to see it. Then here shows that here you want to see the side, and here you want to see the X. So dealing with your project, please don't touch this yet, because you can actually don't know what you are doing. As a beginner, you just have to leave it and go to use this helping tools. But this, it can actually give you some kind of headache that you don't understand, and it is called orientation. So you just have to leave it, and I will explain it further when we are using it, how it works. So that's it. So that's all about the introduction, and in our next video we dive into complete game, like we are going to create a game. So this is all, and that's all for now. Thank you.